YouTube TriStars. TriStars are checking one more time with another new video. And in this video, we're just going to cover some stuff that I get done to the truck, right? As you guys already know, I'm going in flatbed, right? So after my training, I went home and I think about everything, right? And the training let me know that this work will sometimes be heavy, right? So it's gonna be a lot of heavy hauling and some light, some heavy. So knowing that, I decided to do some changes on my truck.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
First thing I did, I went to the mechanic, like I said to you guys. Make sure, if your truck park for maybe a month or two, whatever, make sure you get your truck checked out before you just jump in, start and go. Because, all truck drivers know, especially truck owners, know that when a truck parks for too long, as soon as you turn that key on, you will come up with some check light or something. Maybe something seized because it was hot for so long in the park, and so you got to get it like really checked out. So going to the mechanic was my first thing. All right, the first thing I got done was changing the fifth wheel on the truck. Yes, so the fifth wheel is basically the one that I had before. I was having this play in my fifth wheel. And the mechanic advised me then, better to get a new one than to repair it, because the prices are close to buy the kit and get it replaced plus labor than just buying one new one and put it on one go, and maybe just $100 difference or so. So we look into it and we see that yes, it's just a small difference. So I just went ahead and I get a new one. Okay. After that, when I'm driving, I'm feeling this wobble, shaking, vibration thing when I'm about at 80, right? I'm going 80 miles per hour. I'm feeling that slight, and our truck's supposed to be running smooth, right? So I went to get the front checked out. I changed my steer tires. So I changed my steer tires. And in the same place, I just change all 10 tires. I'm just going fresh. I just change all the tires on the truck to ensure that tires are in good condition and is ready for this type of work, So I went ahead and I changed all 10 tires, right? After that, like I said, I have it run through by the mechanic. YouTube, hear me say now. TriStars are checking right now. Right now, we have a mechanic in the interior. You don't know, so my special place that, right? Because anytime you're going to start off a journey, you have to make sure you call the mechanic and make your truck get sorted out, fixed, making sure them take care of everything so that you don't have the problem when they go up on the road. I already talked to them about that breakdown on the road situation, work out. So might as well get your truck look after the right and proper way before you leave out. And then the next thing I did was I went to align the truck. I take the truck to a place called Front End Specialist. Yeah, I went to a place called Front End Specialist, and those guys, you know, checked out my front end on the truck. They found that I needed a ball joint. They found out that they had too much play in it, so they changed the two side. They said it was one side, but they said, well, if you're changing it, make sure you just change the two side and done. So I changed the two side of the ball joint. So I changed two of them, and I got my truck aligned. Okay. After getting my truck aligned, then I take my truck to the truck wash, you know, to get it washed, get it ready, get it prepared, you know. Then, after that, I just went to the store, get some stuff. Yes, YouTube, TriStars again. You know, I came inside Walmart to grab some stuff to take with me on the road, you know what I mean? So, you know, I'm actually doing a little truck shopping, not house shopping, truck shopping, you know? So I'm grabbing some snacks. Yeah, it's nothing great, just water, you know, little snack. Well, I just pick up this sheet. I grab an extra pillow, air freshener, and you know, you have to carry your line salt, right? Yeah. So basically, I'm just inside. Yeah. So basically, I'm just taking up a few stuff to take with me on the road. You know what I mean? Because I'm actually not home. I'm all the way where the truck is. So I'm just taking up some stuff to take back with me, on the road for, I'm gonna do a couple of weeks before I head back in. So that's my mission. So yes, so this is the move. I'm just preparing myself. I'm just putting stuff together, you know what I mean? TriStars, out and back. Thanks for tuning in. I mean, it's TriStars. And I just want to tell everyone, I really appreciate you guys for, you know, taking the time out to watch my videos. And for sure, TriStars is coming in with some new stuff. You guys can't miss out, you know what I mean? You guys can't miss out. I'm coming in with some very interesting stuff, you know what I mean? It's gonna be a lot of work, hands-on work. It's gonna be a lot of climbing. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a lot of work. So anyway, like I'm saying, all my new subscribers, welcome and big up. Make sure to tune in. Make sure everybody keep, sending comments. But still remember everything that I'm supposed to get done. I forgot. Yeah, and before I forget, the mechanic also went ahead and changed the hanger bearings, put on a heavy duty hanger bearings, and also the fifth wheel was a heavy duty fifth wheel also. All of those stuff are changed on the truck so that I can get a better performance in terms of how the truck drive on the road, you know what I mean? My truck was already serviced, like change the oil and everything, so I didn't need to get that done. YouTube TriStars, hear me I say, right now I'm relaxed. I'm just relaxing, you know. My up on my foot, twist, round, curve, and just cock up. Oh, alright, I over it. Anyway, TriStars. Right now I'm tuning in for just make everybody know say I'm comfortable. You know what I mean? I'm in my truck, you know what I mean? I take my truck to the truck wash. You know, TriStars like clean already. So I take the truck to the truck wash to get it washed. Wash it down a little bit. You know, I have a new tire, I have a new rims. No, I lie. The same old rims there from day one. But I have a new tire front and back, you know what I mean? Truck's supposed to look, you know, you have a rolling style. You know what I mean? You have a rolling nice. You know, your first day out, you know. So you want to look. You know Jamaican do them thing already. I don't know, we're not over it. But you know Jamaican, how we that. We always like neat, clean and nice, you know, how we that. And I know you guys wanted to see the truck with the roll tight trailer on it. I know you guys are waiting to see the truck with the trailer. But anyway, here's the truck I'm presenting to you guys with the full extent of what's going on right now. Okay. So this is it. This is a beautiful Volvo. It is a 780. It's the model VN. It's a 2013. It's owned by a popular YouTuber called himself TriStars. This here is a roll tight trailer. It's a 53 feet. It's a flatbed with a roll tight skirting thing onto it. Now, I want to give you guys a more hands-on and a better briefing information of this trailer as soon as it's not loaded, because it's loaded right now. When the trailer is empty, I'm gonna show you guys everything that you guys need to see, you know what I mean, along with, you know, all informations and how to operate these things and how to get, you know, everything. TriStars, just tune in and you guys will see everything. Anyway, back to my presentation. Now, this trailer is a 2018 trailer, brand spanking new. Okay, back to the truck. My truck tires are extremely good and nice and everything. But anyway, as you can see there, this Volvo truck is well taken care of. You know, you can see that the driver put a lot of work into it just to have it moving. This truck is what he is dependent on to make something of itself. So you got to take care of his truck. Now we're gonna get inside the engine. Now here's where you pull to get inside the engine. Okay. Now under the hood of this 2013 Volvo truck, you can see there is a D13 engine into it. You got a little dust onto it, but I'm not gonna put any water in it because I don't want any sensor to go out on me. I'm not that crazy. But this truck is fairly engine-wise okay. I'm getting a good run. It's not too bad. It's running smooth. It's one start, one kick, and I'm good to go. And my story is finished here. Thanks for tuning in. TriStars. Anyway, hear me and say, oh, the light about it. No, tell the truth. No. Oh my Jesus. But anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching my videos. You know what I mean? Big respect for everybody who tuning in. TriStars always come with something new, something fresh. I'm in my dive van. Around here is where I sleep. We'll get a tour of inside as soon as we get everything done. I'm going to go on a better tour of the trailer, like inside of it, how the connections are, like what the stuff that the trailer comes with, the weight that the strap can handle, the weight that the chains can handle, how many chains to go on loads. We're just gonna go through, you know, and also I'm gonna show you guys all that you need to know. You know what I mean? All that you need to know. Like I said, please remember to subscribe and please remember to share my videos, and thanks each and every one for tuning in. Try stars at check out. Respect and thanks. Big up on yourself. One love, one peace, one art. You know what I mean? Respect.
For more
Try
videos
stars.
like this, please subscribe.